Hey guys, so this is my after retwist. I didn't show you in the shower when I washed my hair. So this is my first time actually washing my hair since I've been getting a retwist and done for be 9 months this month. Next month will be coming up 10 months. And this will be my first time. My hairdresser was just like, just go ahead and wash your hair. So I actually liked the way it looked after I washed it. It was nice and just like, you know, the whole lot wet, curly look. So I thought about keeping it that way, but then I was like, since I took the loctician class and I also been learning a lot of steps on YouTube on how to twist my hair, so I just was like, you know what, I'm gonna just go ahead and twist it. So I got the like the loose twist look, not the like skinny ones if you ever seen any of my other videos. So I actually did pretty good. This is how it looks underneath. Yeah. I did pretty good. So I basically used the pins. I put those in and I slept with them overnight, so I didn't show that part of the video. But I slept with them overnight, so I'm either going to wear it like this, or I'll probably do some, I don't know, ponytails or something. Yeah, so I'm excited about it. Time consuming. Arms was tired. Yeah, I don't know if I will ever do it again. I'm not gonna say ever, but it'll be a while. At least this was to hold me out until my appointment on March the 29th. So which is like what, 1 more week. But I have really bad dry scalp and it gets really bad. So I had to wash it. And I use like a Olay type of bar soap, shampoo bar soap, and then I just moisturize it with the rosemary, and it has like a black castor oil in it, and just spray it, and I twisted it. I didn't use any gel or anything. I just retwisted it just with the oil because I'm trying to get away from using a lot of gels and stuff, just because my scalp is so dry, and just to see how it does with just the moisturizer by itself. So yeah guys, tell me what you think in the comment, and do you retwist your hair? How do you do, and how do you go about it? So thank you, and I'm going to show you some styles maybe that I can do holding it up. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and let me know some suggestions in the comments. Thank you. Have a good day. Soulful thinking.